Hello everyone, in this video we'll be guiding you on how to start an LLC in Texas. Now in this guide, we will be giving you a link where you can easily get your LLC for your business. The name is Taylor Brands and you can find it in the description below. So go to the Taylor Brands website and then choose Texas as your state of formation. Then next, you're going to need to enter your desired business name to see if it's available through Taylor Brands system. Then provide business details. Answer questions about the stage of your business, industry, products or services, number of employees, business goals, locations, zip code, and customer service methods. Then you have a list of options. Go ahead and choose LLC formation package and indicate whether you want Taylor Brands to assist you with obtaining an EIN. Then enter your personal information and create an account on the Taylor Brands platform. Then comes the part where you'll need to choose an EIN filling option. So you'll need to decide whether you want Taylor Brands to file your EIN for a fee or if you want to obtain it yourself through the IRS. Then you'll need to choose whether to use Taylor Brands registered agent service or act as your own registered agent. Now, there are some optional services. You'll need to decide if you want to add optional services such as automatic LLC renewal, branding toolkit, expedited processing, operating agreement preparation, and formation kit. Then, in the process, go ahead and review the selected services and choose a Taylor Brands package. Enter your payment details and contact information. Finalize the process through the Taylor Brands platform. Now, this approach relies on the third-party service, Taylor Brands, and you'll need to know that it will come with its own fees. However, it does simplify the process greatly. So depending on your budget, you might want to try this option out. So with the steps followed in this guide, we wish you success in starting your LLC in Texas.